If you've ever downsized from a house to an apartment, then you know the challenge of trying to fit all of your belongings into these newly limited storage spaces. Here's how we helped this family in their kitchen. Our first step when working in any space is to declutter first. We're looking for any reason we can to get rid of as much as possible. In the kitchen, we're looking for expireds. We're looking for food that may be moldy or may have bugs in it. We're going to ask the family a series of questions to determine what their needs are, to see what items can go because maybe it doesn't fit their dietary needs, or maybe they just won't ever use it. Here we are, finishing up our decluttering phase. While V checks those expiration dates, Carol is assembling our MVP, our most valuable product of the day, this standalone shelf. Easy to assemble, gives them 4 rows of extra space, plus it's inexpensive. Ladies and gentlemen, meet this family's alternative to a pantry closet. Quick disclaimer, this specific setup may not be suitable for all kitchens. Consider your kitchen size and storage needs. Also consider what works aesthetically for your kitchen before purchasing a standalone shelf like this. Next, I'll clean the surfaces we're working on. Then Carol will help me to create a system for this kitchen. A system is just a home organizer's fancy way of saying a functional layout for you to maintain after we leave. And to give the family the most value for their time, V started to get these discards and donates out simultaneously. By the way, these families' donations were brought to Big Brothers Big Sisters of Long Island. Did you know they have a new Bigs in Blue program? It was started to help increase the goodwill and connection between children in our community and the local police force, firefighters, sheriff's office, and other first responders. These relationships can help build stronger bonds between law enforcement and the communities they serve. At this point, I figured V could use a hand. So we finished with these discards and these donates, then continued in the kitchen. So we're pretty much playing Tetris here, creating that system we talked about earlier. Here's what it looked like before, and here's the after. It's a simple system for them to follow when we leave. We've eliminated them reaching for food over the stove. We've downsized on their kitchenware, and we left their daily use food items and storage items in the kitchen. And ladies and gentlemen, for the star of the show, the standalone shelf. There it is right there in the nook. And here's a little glimpse of their dining area / office area / pantry closet. We hope you enjoyed watching us work. We're Denise, Carol, and V of Go Clutter Less Home Organizers. We help folks who seem fine on the outside, but secretly struggle with clutter behind closed doors.